Hi! Today guys, I'm gonna share to you my story about last day when I did go to my girlfriend's house.
I love you.
So, the story went like this.
What's up, madlang people?
Ngadto ko niya is because hininga ko niya for almost 2 months of quarantine. Since then, the quarantine is still ongoing, so I need to find a way to visit her. So, I did get through to their place and I visited her for almost 1 night and 1 day. So I traveled to Ormoc and I did buy some flowers for her. Kita pila yung roses? Pwede makuha tagtulo lang. Palit ang tagtulo. Thank you, sir. And I did buy some chicken, but sad to say Jollibee is not open that day because I'm too early when I travel to Ormoc. So that's it. I did buy some chicken. I got stuck in the checkpoint, so I'm stranded for almost 2 hours of stranded. And someone saved me and I get through. I go to her house and surprise her. Ta-da! And we finally met again.
A few inches later.
Yeah, maybe.
I love you.
Ito ba mo? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Go. I love you. Go. I love you.
I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored.
Kauta!
Hi guys! So, nakasud ako sa ilahang balay. Pero nag-count kasi ko si BL.
Because
Nga na guys ang kuan. Ha?
sa toast ga,
Oh.
sa toast ba?
Toast, dagan na. Dagan toast. May nose, may knee. Toast.
Kauta. This is life. What's up, madlang people? Love everything.
So guys, nakasud na ko. No, thank God, I'm safe. Karon guys, nung nabuhi ko og kuan dito sa NTL kay 2 months mi ako magita. So, nagpiwan na sad nako. So from bottom to top, ako nagpiwan. Pwede na ko pakita ang uban kay suko mo siya. No? So guys, this is kayo guys no, madto border. Pangalang madto niya. Nga nakalisod.
Yak, kaluod.
Nga nakalisod guys.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video,
May magmukbang ta. Kaon ta.
I'm magsabat guys.
Hindi, mag-challenge lang ta. Yaki ba, yaki? Kung maguba gani ang naong pilde.
Yeah.
Dapat maguba ang naong. Dahan mo kung chance na naong. Makalimot pa dyan ko basta na pa. Kaya hunahunahon ikaw mo.
Yak.
Grabe.
Yak.
Grabe.
What's up, madlang people?
did have some activities we spent together, like we did go to their farm, we pick up some fruits, and have a quality time together. Hey guys, so nakamask na ko. So namidiri sa sakyanan kauban ni Maring ni Kuan ni ako tawagan sa akong mga viewers ga. Ako tawagan nila is Kuan Chang. What's up mga Chong, mga Chang? So another si Chang Mara na taga si Brad
Jan! Jan! Oh, ba't?
So karon guys is manguha mi og mga fruits diri na sa laha ka abing, and manguha mi og fruits, daghan ka fruits na siya sa mga model sa kuan. So tong kuan karon na first tong kuan is mango. Where's the mango?
Over there and there and there and there.
Everywhere.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere. So nata karon sa kayutaan ni abing. So guys, ingani kalindot sa bukid, no? Daghan kayo og
Magkuha ka di.
magkuha.
Wah, tidak kan kurang-kurang ketubak.
Kini?
Ya, betul.
Ako to lagi?
Oo.
Ulo.
Ay,
Subuga.
sobrahan sa kuwan.
Kini guys. Sangit ya. Mango. Ayun. Ikaw na po ako videohan. Ikaw na ako videohan.
Let's go. Ho, ho. Bugat.
Sige. Mahinog bitaw. So, there si Mara. Nagkuha ng sigarilyas.
So, my lolo once said, magtanom siya, bahalag, di siya kakaon. Di na siya kakaon, basta ang iyang mga apo ang magpo. So, thank you, lolo!
Gamit si Mara og, sa tawag na ga?
Dughit.
Dughit. Ngano na may dog?
No, dali ara ba batang-tang?
Nakadiri dolay.
Ayun ang mga hinog kaayo.
Nakapin eh. Hindi,
Hindi na
ito
kay
eh.
maklaro.
Ano? Hindi, repeat.
Makabuto.
Ako kaya, ako ikaw ba? Ako ba, hold lang niya.
Ayaw. I got this.
You got that?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Makuha ka mo good na. Sige, ako ito kaya. Ako abton ha. Ako abton. Tada! Hey, look.
Oh, hinog naman na.
Ha?
Di mo na mako.
So guys, ako one. Look. Kasi try og it.
Ay, kuan siya daot.
Look. Yellow. Yellow siya. Kita mo guys.
Ooh, saragwalas.
Ang sarap sa bukid. Maraming prutas. So, hi. Where are we now?
Mantatay.
Enggak.
Ay, ulit.
Ikaw, imo ang face and recognize.
Hindi mo ko na face.
Unsa man eh? Unsa man din ako? Face.
What's up, madlang people? For today's video,
Focus sa face. Focus. I really want to spend more time with my girlfriend because sometimes it makes me paranoid when I miss her. I won't go crazy because we don't have a good communication, but I'm always positive in that way that someday we'll meet again after this COVID thing, you know. I want to shout out to all the frontliner, thank you very much guys, keep safe, and to all the people around the world, keep safe, and also my viewers there, thank you for subscribing, watching my vlogs, and also to my langga. I miss you, langga. I miss you. So that's it guys for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. A peace.